simple conversation videos or simple motivational videos, and simple, like fairy tales, short fairy tales available in YouTube. And that's fairy tales are, simple words, and every fairy tales they will learn different vocabulary, because different story, and they use different vocabulary. And they should try to listen one story, or according to their interest. I'm not saying they should like watch only fairy tales or motivational video. A lot, like all kind of videos available in YouTube channel, so they should try to listen a lot, and multiple times, as I said, until they learn. Because when you we watch different videos, and we didn't understand. Suppose we watch one video, then we change another video, but what the use if you didn't get that video? So that's why I'm saying they should watch again and again until they learn. If they don't get any vocabulary from that video, they should search on Google, then they should watch again, so that they can understand what that video exactly showing, like saying. So it's really helpful to learn. And they should try to write about their daily routine, about book, pen, and home. And they should also try to speak with some simple sentence, simple word, like sorry, thank you, hi, how are you, what are you doing. Like, don't care about the mistake. Because when we were child, how we learned this language? By listening only, right? And then we started speaking, and then our parents, our brother and sister, they laugh, like how we speak. We we were not able to speak properly, right? So it's happened. This is the new language, and it's not our mother tongue. We are not getting environment in our surrounding. And but we are lucky, like we have mobile and social media, so we should give time at least. And the very important things is that we should be consistent. Because after learning 4 days, 5 days, or you're not consistent, you get involved in another things, then you will feel like you're in the same place. And you will, in that way you will not improve. So be consistent while learning, and set a timetable, at least 1 hour per day. You should give time for this language, and be consistent and follow all, and do different kind of activities. Like while picture discussion helped me a lot. Because in that group, which group I joined, same picture, different people were discussing, so I was getting different view from same topic. So it was improving my thinking power. So what can speak different from this topic, like that. So that's also helped me a lot. So try to do different kind of activity, and search on YouTube. I learned from mostly YouTube, you can say. I was getting idea from YouTube, then I was applying on myself. I
Okay,
think
okay.
it, yeah,
So you
this
have
is.
explained everything in a nice way. So I'm going to add one more thing that being a learner, we should have like a burning desire to learn this language. Okay, because
Yes.
if we don't have any why the perfect reason to learn this language, so we are not going to get motivation for learning this language. So that's why we should have a burning desire from ourselves to learn this language, so that we can push ourselves, so that we can make extra efforts to learn this language. And another thing is that we must be crazy to learn anything or any skill for our betterment, for the betterment of our career. Okay. And we should not focus too much at the scratch on making mistakes. Okay, because it's not our mother tongue. So why should we feel ashamed of making mistake? So we should not feel we should not focus on our making mistakes. So we should focus on our speaking part. Okay, because we are going to improve our speaking skills. So that's why we should focus only on our speaking skill. Only then we'll be able to speak properly. And speaking comes from speaking, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So,
this is the best thing. Like, we know like how to make a sentence, and we know the grammar. We have knowledge. Like while listening, we feel like we can speak. But the big problem we face while speaking. So try to start speaking with simple words, because if you will not start speaking, you will not never learn. Because this is the big problem which I have faced. But by listening the same video again and again, when I started explaining the people, so that's helped me a lot. Then I started speaking. Because when I used to listen again and again same video, I was able to tell, I was able to explain. So that's helped me a lot.
yes, and I must share with you one thing that in my journey earlier time I used to focus on grammar, and I used to think that if I would mug up all the grammatical rules, then I would be a very good speaker, or then I would articulate my thoughts in a proper way. Okay, but that was my misconception. And after that I realized that if you want to speak English properly, so you have to focus on your speaking skill rather than focusing on grammar, reading, writing at the scratch. Okay, so you have to focus on your speaking, you have to focus on your ideas, how to articulate, how to utter your words, thoughts, ideas in a proper way. And maybe at that time of speaking you are making a lot of mistakes, and mistakes are just the stepping stone to learn any language. Okay, and it's our part of a journey. So if we don't make mistakes, so how can we learn new things? Okay, so we should accept our mistake, embrace our mistakes. And then
Yeah,
but, one thing we should keep in mind that the mistakes should not done again and repeatedly. We should rectify our mistakes after checking our videos, after listening to our own voice. Okay, so only then we'll be able to rectify our mistake, and we'll just we'll correct our mistake, and we'll be good at speaking then.
yeah, you're right, sir. And I think we should end this session already 26 minute.
Let
And
me add one thing. This Skype application is going to start. Maybe will we get this video or not? I don't know. But are you using any other application apart from this Skype application for recording any videos or for getting any recorded session? Are you using any other application?
no, no, now I'm not using another application. I'm using this Skype only, but after 5, it will not work, right? But I
Yes.
heard about some application, but this application is working now, so that's why I didn't install any application. I'm using this only. But after 5 May, I think 5 May, right? This will
Yes.
not work. So maybe I will install another application, because some people were saying in the groups, Joho application is working
Yes.
for
I have
recording, right?
heard about that application, but I haven't installed this application. Okay.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I hope we will talk again in that application or any other application. Maybe
Yes.
team will work, right? We can connect with team,
Yes, but
and
earlier
team.
I didn't get the recorded session from Team application. Okay, so that's why I'm not using Team application. Maybe after May 5, I'll be using Team application.
Okay. Actually, I'm not facing the problem like that recorded session. Only two girls, one lady and one girl. With them, I didn't get recording. Like recording, I didn't get. But what like then I got all recording. Maybe I have talked with 70 people, but I have not uploaded. I have so many pending videos till now. I saved in my YouTube,
And, uh, and few
but I
days
didn't
ago,
share public. Yeah.
yes, and few days ago, I had several sessions, so with lot of co-learners. So, but after ending our session, so we didn't get any single video. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 sessions we had done, but I didn't get any single recorded video.
You can do one thing, like you can install again team. You can find the videos, and I I have told some friends, and they can start screen recorder and they can play that video. Then they can get recording if they are not able to download that video from Team, because I'm able to download the video from Team, so I'm not facing that problem. But some of my friend is doing that. They are playing that recording, and they start their screen recorder, so they get that video then.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. All right. It was a lovely conversation with you, and thank you very much for giving me your precious time. Okay, so I think we'll
Okay.
have a conversation also next time very soon.
Yeah, same here, sir. Thank you, sir. It was really amazing conversation with you.
This is
Thank you very
bye.
much.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, same to you, sir. Bye. Thank you.